So our air gap, we got the water coming straight up. So if you just put in a garbage disposal and you're having some issue with backflow up on top with the water, what you do have to be aware of is there is going to be up inside of here. Let's see if I can get my camera over here. You're going to see there's a cap right there. And so water isn't going to, it's pretty much blocking all the water from going down into your garbage disposal. So it's just going to come out of the top of your sink. So we got to push that plug out. So first off, if you still have that plug in there, you're going to have to knock it off. You're going to have to find a screwdriver that can get in there, and you're going to have to miss your drain, so you may need a longer one. You're also going to need a hammer. I use this longer screwdriver because as you can see it's coming past this drain here. And then I can use the back of the hammer and I can position this how I need it. And you're just going to tap that, keep spinning it around until you get it through. And I do have that through now. And it will take a few hard whacks. And as you can see, it's pushed out there. So we're going to go up to the top and we're going to stick our hand down in here. Oh, there it is. We're going to pull that out. And that's what's probably causing your issue. If you just put your garbage disposal in and you have backflow. Now the reason that there's a cap on this garbage disposal is that not everybody hooks up their garbage disposal to their dishwasher. If you are not hooking, if you just have it going directly from your sink to the disposal, you do not want to knock that cap out. But in this instance, we have the dishwasher leading to the disposal. So we need to connect that and we need to knock that plug out. So if you're having an issue and you hooked the dishwasher to the disposal, you do need to knock that plug out as we did here. Again, hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Arrgh.